For our color tunable back-to-back connector, we'll use that for connecting two pieces of tape directly together. You'll want to make sure that you have the tape lined up the same way so that 24 volts connects to 24 volts or 12 to 12 for polarity. And then you'll flip each piece of tape over, pull the backer off, and then insert the tape, taking care to get the LED in as far as it'll go into the groove. Same with your other piece of tape. Once you have those in, flip the connector over, take your pliers and crimp each of the four corners down. And once all four corners are crimped, the white part will be flush with the clear. That's where you have a good connection and you have your connector made.